Okay, so for those that watch my first video about me going into Mexico to get my PKR laser surgery, here I'm gonna describe what it was. Uh, Again, I paid $796 for the surgery. Might be different the price later on because the peso might not be as it might go up in value because right now it's like at the lowest ever. It's 15 pesos per dollar. And anyway, 796 is what I paid. Uh, okay, so going into the surgery, uh, this place was similar to a public hospital in Mexico, which I think even in the U.S. a public hospital, it's they're pretty messy all over. The first thing, the most disgusting thing that you experience when I got into the clinic, it's that every single seat was filled with people, uh, and the disgusting part is that I'm not sure if it was like fecal matter, but there was in every single seat there was stains on every single seat. And another thing that bothered me is that there was like every 30 minutes there was somebody coming with a basket full of candy, gum, all of that, selling to people inside the hospital, which is hilarious. Um, and so it was pretty frustrating to hear people chewing and then chewing with their mouth open. It was pretty disgusting. But anyways, for the surgery you're only there for 1 hour, so for me I didn't have much of an option. I was already set for the surgery. Uh, and then they send 6 people at a time to this room where they put you eye drops, they clean your eyebrows and everything. They put your head cover, your foot cover, so that there's no hair or dirt that might interfere with the procedure. Um, and my experience, well, exactly how it happened was that they make you sit down. There's a red flashing dot. You're supposed to get concentrated so that your eye doesn't move. Either way, the machine will shut down if you move your eye, so that it's a precise procedure. And the first thing they do is they put some eye drops, and that makes your, I guess, your eye more fragile, and then they remove your epithelium, the first layer of your eye. And it doesn't hurt at all, but it's uncomfortable because you're looking at this light, and then it's like there's uh, a shield, and it's like if you're mopping that shield so that the image, it's completely, every time they swipe one way you see the image like one way then the other way. So it's uncomfortable because you don't even know if you're concentrated on the light correctly because there's just so much movement. That's the uncomfortable part. The best part is once they put the laser in, you just see a bunch of red dots and it keeps changing, and then you smell the hair, like if your hair is burning, but it's for me it didn't bother me at all. And then after that they put the contact lens back, which I didn't even feel it, and then you're out of your way. One of the difference between more expensive is that here in Mexico they only gave me basic shields, and I believe in the US they give you like polarized lenses to cover your eye completely for any UV rays or anything that be harmful for your eyes. But basically, that's the main difference. I save a lot of money. Right now, it's second day after the procedure, so I don't know if I'm gonna get good eyesight on on the first day follow up. I did have a 20/30 eyesight. Um, so basically, I'm seeing exactly the same as I was. My prescription is 2.0, I guess was. Um, but it's normal for PKR to take way longer because your layer has to recuperate, and in LASIK you basically have the same part of your eye, but there's more, I guess, like 1% more side effects. So I decided to go the safe route of PKR, even if it was more harmful. I mean, not harmful, more painful. Well, anyways, now you know you want to go the route in Mexico. Of course, I did it in the border side. If you go deeper into the popular cities in Mexico, Monterrey, maybe Tijuana, I'm sure you'll get a much better satisfaction as far as the surroundings. But this was my experience, and I'll make another video follow up once they take my lens out, because like I said, I don't know what else to post. I have no pain and my vision is exactly the same, so I won't be making a video daily. And if you're wondering, I also made these videos in Spanish. Alright, thank you.